stop and you hold everything. But this morning Dixie, double four time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. But now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming out of the rain to hear the jazz go down. Competition in many other places, but the horns can make that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London town. Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the fancy scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can wear a honky tonk just like anything. Saving it up for Friday night. We're the Sultans, we're the Sultans play Creole. The man, he steps right up till the microphone and says at last it's just a time bearing. Thank you, good night, now it's time to go home. And can I say it fast with one more thing? We are the Sultans,